Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on how to complete a social work application in TK20. We recommend that you use either Google Chrome or Safari when working in TK20. Social work students do not need to purchase a TK20 account. Instead, you will need to create a free admissions account to complete your application. To do so, go to wcupa.tk20.com. If you have already completed a social work admissions application in TK20, you can use the account that you previously created to log in. To create your account, at the bottom, click on the Admissions tab. Then, click on the blue "Click here to create your account" link. Complete the fields marked with an asterisk and fill in the CAPTCHA word as directed. Then, click the green Submit button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. It is important to remember your TK20 admissions application username and password. You will use these credentials to log into your new admissions application TK20 account. You will not log into TK20 with your WCU email or password. Click the blue Back to Login link. Enter your TK20 admissions application username and password at the top of the page, and then click Log into your account. Do not log in using the faculty and student login below. Click on the green Create New Application button. Using the drop-down menu, select the application you need to complete and then click Next. Then click Next again. Complete the application as directed. All fields marked with an asterisk are mandatory and must be completed in order to submit the application. To upload a file to your application, either click on the green Select Files button to select a file from your computer, or drag and drop the file from your desktop to the gray Drag and Drop Files Here box. Once you have started an application, click Save to save your work and come back to it later, Submit to submit your completed application for review, or Close to exit the application without saving or submitting any changes. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any additional questions about TK20, please contact us at tk20@wcupa.edu or call us at 610-436-2085. If you have any questions regarding the application, please contact your field director.